Welcome! In front of me I have Diesel on Full Guard 2.5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the right middle button, then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, and here you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list, find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu again, and under some of them you have this settings icon. Just tap on it. And here we can change few things. We can change the widgets on the watch face by tapping on one and selecting the one from the list. For example, let's select the weather. And here we have battery, and let's change it for something else. For example, heart rate, like that. Then we can swipe up to scroll down, and we can tap on movement style and select the style of clock hands and I believe and the dots right here on the watch face. I'm gonna select sweeping movement style, and once you're done, simply press the right middle button to apply your settings, like this. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. To do it, let's bring our phone, open the Wear OS app on our phone. In the app we have this watch faces category right here. Tap on more button to open the whole list, and here we have the list of watch faces on our watch. We can tap on one to apply it, like this, or a different one, like that. You can also open the watch face menu on your watch, and you can scroll to the right side of the watch face list, and you have this option called See More Watch Faces, and here you have the rest of the list of watch faces that you're missing from the phone. On the phone you have whole list, and on the watch you have only few of them right here added, and you can basically add more on your watch to the list right there. You can also remove them, but first let's add one. I did add one by mistake, so let's add another one. Basically enter this menu, find the watch face you want to add to the list. Oh my god, I keep tapping on one by mistake. Let's try again. This one, tap on it to add it to the list, and it should appear right here. Then you can remove it also from the list by swiping up on one, like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.